Hello folks, welcome to a new video. In this video I'll be showing you how you can use GitHub Copilot for absolutely free of cost. Actually, when you will you will use GitHub Copilot, you can see that GitHub Copilot is not actually free. You can see here that this is my non-edu account, non-academic account, where you can see it is my beta account. You can see the repositories here and when you will go to GitHub Copilot / feature / Copilot, then when you will click into start my free trial, then it will show you this, where you have to take one of the plans, one monthly or the yearly plan. Now I have signed into GitHub with my academic mail, where you can see that I have already claimed the GitHub Copilot offer. When I have logged into GitHub Copilot, then I have seen the same as we have seen in the last part, when there was a box where it was saying insert your get the plan. When I have clicked on that option, I was redirected here, where the GitHub showed me that I am eligible to use GitHub Copilot for free. Here you can see that I can use GitHub Copilot for free, and when I click here, it shows me all the documentations, how necessary documentation, billings, etc. Now I will show you how you can use GitHub Copilot for free, how you can use GitHub Copilot in VS Code. At first, you need to start the VS Code, turn on the VS Code. Then you need to go to the marketplace and search for GitHub Copilot. And you will see this, and you need to install it. And in order to install it, you need to sign in here also. When I click into that sign in part, it will ask me to authorize. Then it will redirect me to VS Code. Now I can use the Copilot features for absolutely free in VS Code. Now let me show you how you can use the Copilot features in the VS Code. First, let me create a file in VS Code. I will be coding on Python. Py extension. At first I need to have Python. Actually right now I am using Dart, so I don't have Python here. I haven't installed Python on my laptop, so let me I have Dart in Flutter in my laptop, so let me show you how we can use the Copilot in Flutter. Then we need to comment here. Like you can see that it's already showing prints hello world. Open GitHub Copilot, and you can see all the possible responses that we want here, and we can choose from here, like division. In dark. Okay. Then you can see all the possible solution out here. That's why the GitHub Copilot is costing $10 for the collaboration with this AI. By clicking on that, you can select the option which you want to integrate in your code, and that's all in this video. Thank you.